Delicious beef with potatoes, onions, and carrots, all in a miniature crock pot. Here's how. So go ahead and get your beef. You're going to cut your beef. There it is. Go ahead and slice your beef. Wonderful, wonderful. And now we're not done. We are going to slit holes right within each slice of beef. What about that for a tongue twister? Yeah, so go ahead and do that. Look at that. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now go ahead and put your beef into the bowl. Now it's time to add some salt, nature seasoning, lemon pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper. Now, accent, can't forget that. Put everything in. There it is. Keep adding, keep adding. Okay, now let's cut our yellow onions. Oh yeah, look at this. I'm going to go ahead and do this because I like to, and then put it in. That's right, more onions. Oh, don't want that one. No, more onions, more. Yeah, and now our carrots, add that. Potatoes, add those. Salt on the potatoes and carrots, and pepper on the potatoes and carrots. Now, this is our miniature crock pot. Go ahead and put everything in there, put on the lid, and all you have to do is turn this on high. Let this beautiful crock pot cook overnight. Oh, there it is. It's ready already. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the beef is so tender. Look at that. Look at that juicy, juicy beef with onions and carrots. So tender, so delicious. Oh, can't you smell it through? Oh my gosh, can't you smell it from where you are? So delicious. Take a bite. Take a bite. Okay, here's your plate. Now, look at that. I've placed it over rice for you. Oh yes. Look at this beautiful dish. So juicy, so tender, so flavorful. Wonderful with onions. Oh, there's the cornbread. Don't worry, I'm going to do a recipe for that. Look how that cornbread's glistening. Oh, so delicious. Now, let's go ahead and take a full view of your plate. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to subscribe, follow, and like.